Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Aqua Map app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Aqua Map is a boating and marine navigation app designed to give sailors and boaters reliable tools for trip planning and safe travel on the water. It offers detailed nautical charts, GPS tracking, tide forecasts, route planning, and offline map support. The app also integrates with the ActiveCaptain community, providing user-submitted reviews of marinas and anchorages, as well as U.S. Army Corps of Engineers depth data for safer navigation. Features like anchor alarms and real-time weather information add an extra layer of security for those at sea. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many boaters appreciate its clean and easy-to-read chart interface, accurate tide and depth data, and offline usability, which is especially helpful in areas without internet coverage. The ActiveCaptain integration is also praised because it allows users to share experiences and get real-time insights from fellow sailors. GPS reliability and safety features like anchor alarms make it a dependable choice for both casual and experienced boaters. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some advanced charts and features require additional in-app purchases, which can be costly for long-term use. A few users report occasional GPS lag or syncing delays, and compared to professional-grade chart plotters, Aqua Map may feel limited in functionality. Since it relies on community data for certain features, the availability of useful local information can vary depending on the region. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Aqua Map app may be worth using if you're a boater or sailor looking for a reliable, user-friendly navigation tool with offline access and safety features. It excels in convenience, chart accuracy, and community integration. However, if you need professional-level features or want to avoid extra costs for premium charts, it may not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.